We've all been there. Someone's over at your place, maybe a friend eager to try out their new device, or a family member visiting for the weekend. Suddenly, they ask for your Wi-Fi password, and you freeze. You know you set it up ages ago, but the details are a distant memory. You rack your brain, but all you can do is draw a blank. It's like the password has vanished into thin air. Maybe you once scribbled it on a sticky note, but now your desk is a sea of paper scraps, and that crucial note is nowhere to be found. Or perhaps you saved it in an old phone, buried deep in a drawer, its battery long dead, and its secrets locked away. Meanwhile, your computer connects to the Wi-Fi effortlessly every day, but when you need the password, it's as if your device is keeping it a secret from you. Most of us set up our Wi-Fi networks once, let our laptops and phones remember the details, and then promptly forget about them. It's convenient, until it isn't. The real trouble starts when you get a new device, or a guest needs to connect. Suddenly, recovering that long-lost password becomes a mini detective mission, and frustration mounts. You might even consider resetting your router, but that means reconfiguring your entire network, reconnecting every device, and dealing with a whole new set of headaches. There has to be a smarter solution. What if you could simply ask your computer to reveal the password it already knows? Imagine skipping the hassle and getting the answer in seconds. That's where Python, the powerful and versatile programming language, comes in to save the day. With just a few lines of code, you can create a simple script that retrieves all the Wi-Fi passwords saved on your device. No hacking, no shady tricks, just using your own computer's memory. This isn't about breaking into networks or bypassing security. It's about accessing information you already own in a safe and responsible way. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through installing Python if you don't have it yet, and setting up everything you need to get started. Then I'll show you exactly how to run a script that reveals your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you can share them or reconnect devices with ease. It's much easier than you might think, and by the end of this video, you'll never have to hunt for a Wi-Fi password again. You'll be the go-to tech hero in your home, ready to take control of your network, save time, and impress your friends and family. Let's get started on this simple, empowering journey. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have everything you need to follow along comfortably. Setting up the right environment now will save you time and frustration later. First, you'll need a computer. Either Windows or Mac is fine. Make sure it's connected to your Wi-Fi, or at least has connected before, so you can download the tools we'll use. A stable internet connection is important for downloading software and following online instructions. Next, you'll need Python installed. If you're not sure whether you have it, don't worry. We'll walk through the installation process together, step by step. Python is a powerful programming language, and having it set up will unlock a world of possibilities for you. You'll also need administrative access to your computer. This means you should be able to install new programs and make changes to your system. Since we'll be retrieving sensitive information, having admin rights is essential. Usually, this just means knowing your login password. If you share your computer, make sure you have permission to make these changes. Finally, bring a bit of patience and attention to detail. Learning something new can be challenging, but staying focused will help you avoid mistakes and get the most out of this experience. When typing commands, accuracy is key. Even a small typo can cause errors or unexpected results, so take your time and double-check your work as you go. Remember, the goal isn't just to recover a password, but to understand the process behind it. This knowledge will help you troubleshoot and adapt in the future. So, with your computer, Python, admin access, and a focused mindset, you're all set to begin. Take a moment to check that you have everything ready before moving on. Don't worry if you're new to any of this. We'll walk through each step together, and you can always pause or rewind if you need more time. Now let's move on to installing Python. This is a one-time setup, and once it's done, you'll be ready for all sorts of exciting projects. Completing this setup not only prepares you for this tutorial, but also opens the door to many cool and useful projects in the future. By the end, you'll have a practical new skill and the confidence to use Python for more tasks. Let's get started and get Python ready. Let's set up Python. Go to python.org and download the latest version for your system, Windows or Mac. On Windows, run the installer and check Add Python to Path before clicking Install Now. On Mac, download and run the installer, it'll handle the rest. Macs come with an older Python, so installing the latest is best. Once installed, we'll verify everything works using the command line. Open your terminal and type Python version or Python 3 version on Mac. If you see the version number, you're good to go. Now your computer is ready to run Python scripts. Next, let's open the command line and get started. The real magic begins here. With Python installed, you're ready to take your first real step into the world of coding by opening the command line. This is where you'll interact directly with your computer, giving it instructions and seeing instant results. Don't worry if this feels new or unfamiliar, everyone starts here, and you'll get the hang of it quickly. On Windows, simply click the Start menu and type Command Prompt or CMD. When it appears, right-click and select Run as Administrator. This gives you the necessary permissions to execute all commands without restrictions, ensuring everything works smoothly. If you're on a Mac, press Command and space together to open Spotlight Search. Type Terminal, then press Enter. The Terminal app is your gateway to powerful system commands and scripting. Once open, you'll see a window with a blinking cursor. This simple interface is your direct line to your computer's core, where you can control, automate, and explore your system in ways that aren't possible through regular apps. To make sure Python is set up correctly, type Python version and press Enter. On some systems, you might need to use Python 3 version instead. This command checks your Python installation and shows you which version is active. If you see a version number appear, congratulations! Your setup is complete and you're ready to move forward. This terminal window is where you'll run the script to find your Wi-Fi passwords. Every command you type here brings you closer to unlocking your network information. The command line might look intimidating at first, but it's actually a powerful and flexible tool. With just a few commands, you can accomplish tasks that would take much longer with a mouse and menus. By learning to use the terminal, you're gaining the ability to interact with your system on a much deeper level. This skill will serve you well, not just today, but in countless future projects. Next, we'll use the command line to list all your saved Wi-Fi networks. This is the first step in retrieving your passwords. The process is straightforward and only takes a few commands. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can access this information. So get comfortable and ready your fingers. This is where you'll unlock your network secrets and gain new confidence with your computer. Ready? Let's go. Now, let's find out which Wi-Fi networks your computer remembers. These are called profiles, and you'll need the exact names. Our Python script will use the subprocess module to run a system command and list all saved networks. On Windows, the command is netshewlan show profiles. On Mac, it's network setup, list preferred wireless networks EN0. The script captures and displays these network names in a clear list. You might see networks from coffee shops, airports, or friends' houses. This confirms your script is talking to your system. With your list of networks, you're ready for the next step, extracting passwords. Let's see how it's done. Time for the big reveal, getting the passwords. The script loops through each network name and runs a command to show its password. On Windows, netshewlan show profile, name, profile, name key, clear. On Mac, security find generic password, WA, profile, name. The script grabs the password from the output and prints it next to the network name. You'll see a list like My Home Wi-Fi, my super secret password. It's fast, efficient, and works for every network your computer remembers. With just a few lines of Python, you've retrieved all your saved Wi-Fi passwords. Now you can connect new devices or share with guests. No more searching for sticky notes. Let's talk about the differences between Windows and Mac. The process is similar on both platforms, but the commands differ. Windows uses Command Prompt and Netsh for network management. Mac uses Terminal, network setup, and the security command to access Keychain. Python can detect your operating system and choose the right commands automatically. This makes your script universal, one codebase for both Windows and Mac. The script checks the OS, then runs the correct commands for each. That's the power of Python. Write once, run anywhere. Understanding these differences ensures your script works smoothly. Now, let's talk about using this knowledge responsibly. Ethics matter. With great power comes great responsibility. Use this script only on your own devices or with clear permission. Accessing someone else's passwords without consent is unethical and illegal. Think of this as your digital house key. Use it only for your own doors. Always respect privacy and property. Be careful where you display passwords. Avoid public places. Treat these passwords like any sensitive information. Use your new skill for good, not intrusion. Responsible use keeps you and others safe. Now let's wrap up with what you've learned. You've gone from forgetting Wi-Fi passwords to retrieving them with Python. You've learned to set up your environment, use the command line, and automate tasks. This project shows how programming solves real-world problems. You now have a digital tool for your keychain, ready whenever you need it. The skills you've gained are foundational for future tech projects. Remember, use this knowledge ethically and responsibly. You're now in control of your technology, not the other way around. Next time someone asks for the Wi-Fi password, you'll be ready. Just open your terminal and let your computer do the rest. Congratulations on your new skill.